Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So tonight I'm just going to do a little bit of overview of this new motor I've been working on. But for those of you beginners out there, thought this might be kind of a helpful ideas and ways to make these motors. If you don't have a 3D printer, you could always make these by hand. This is the new little rotor I just made. So it has slip rings on the bottom, and so these are going to energize these coils, and then I'm going to have on the back of it the timing. They're mechanical or opto, and all this stuff is just made from starboard. All the black is marine grade starboard, and it's really easy to cut and sand and everything. I use the Forstner bits on it to make all these holes, and yeah, it works really nice. My main tool with most of the stuff is just this right here, because you could use this and you could scratch the plastic in circles, so when you go to cut them out and sand them, you have a real nice groove in there. And yeah, this whole motor is just based on this little design. So I just drew it out on cardboard and then put tape on all the points. So what I actually do is, so you kind of figure out what you want to use. I decided to use this 6-inch Schedule 80 pipe, just like this motor back there, and then this is a bigger pipe, and so I just used this diameter as the basis. So made this match up onto here, and you could basically just line it up, tape it down, and then you just use a punch. You could punch all the holes, and yeah, I did that the same with the starboard. You just lay this out, tape it down, mark all your holes, and cut it out, sand it, and that's probably the simplest way to do it. These slip rings that I made were just from a copper pipe. I just machined down this plastic to fit on there, and made the connections. So this rotor is a little bit different than the normal. I had to do some different things for it. So this would be the normal one, or more normal. So you have a coil here and here, and then you have two different polarities, so north south, and it goes right through the steel, makes a nice circular magnetic effect with the electromagnets. But on this one, it's set up in repulsion, so both polarities are going to be the same. So right in the middle, I actually cut out. So this is the material. It's just mild steel, and it's relatively magnetic, works good for basic stuff. And then I have stainless steel right here. So this is completely non-magnetic. This is 3/16 stainless. So what I did is cut out a little piece, and I actually put it in the middle like that, so that these are magnetically separated by this piece of stainless. And that's how this is lined up. So you can see the little weld marks in the corners, because these are actually going to be the same polarity. So it's going to be set up like this old motor of mine. This is a gray kind of mock-up 5,000 volts. This one's just going to be more low voltage, so the wire's a lot thicker. But yeah, so you can see the slip rings just smooth, real smooth in there. And so this is starboard, this is the pipe, and then I just use all thread, different motors. So like the window motors, you want to use 3/16 stainless steel all thread, because the magnet will just attract right to this. So if you use the stainless steel, you won't have that problem, and the magnet rotor won't just stop right here where the steel is. So yeah, on this one, it's going to be set up just like this, how these coils are. So I'll be drilling a hole right in the center and then tapping it, and then these get mounted right inside, right through these bolt holes. So they'll be like this in there, and yeah, just need to cut these down to size and tap the center so they'll bolt right on. And since it's in repulsion, it doesn't need a magnetic path around the back, so just having it like that is just fine. And this one's set up the same way, and so is this one, but this was a magnet motor, so set up a little bit different, but the design is the same. So yeah, thought I'd just kind of share with you what I've been working on, and yeah, it comes out really nice with a starboard. And yeah, like I said, the best tool for designing is this I use the most. I replaced the steel with lead to draw it out, then I put the steel point back in so that I could scrape the plastic and make the marks, and works really nice. So there'll be videos coming up as I get further on this, but I want to give you kind of an overview of how I build things, by hand. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my store.